Hey there, Fox fam. Teigan here. Okay, I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys because thank you so much for letting me know. I know now that yes, just like I didn't understand threads in the Discord, thank you for telling me. Neither do some of you. What is happening is, let me make sure I collapse these and show you guys what's going on. So here's what happens. I made it so that when you walk into the server, you now will come right to this page for you guys. It's going to let you know that the community has been reset and that you should read this before joining. When you come down here, how to make these work, okay? Each thing is in a separate thread for you. This one shows you legacy loyalty event. When you click the thread, it will open. Click on the number of messages, guys. Right here, this one has 5, this one has 1, this one has 6. And when you open it, it's going to open over here on the right-hand side. You can see that it opens. You're able to click pictures. You can make them even bigger like this. You go down and you're able to scroll right through. This is so you guys don't have endless scrolling. You're able to click that right at the top. I'll do that one more time. Right up here at the top, this close button, in case you want to close it. You go to the next one and you literally click and boom, there you are. And it'll bring you right in here. Each thing that you need to know or learn something about is right here now. It keeps it quite simple and makes it way easier to be able to keep up and read things because we have so many things here. Thanks you all for watching. More updates will continuously come. If I've missed something, definitely let me know and we'll add it. Don't forget, you guys can still redeem your rewards and prizes that's going on from our loyalty event. There's a button in here for you guys just to click on the rewards and prizes in case you can't find it. Streamer nominations will be open for all live streams so that we can add them to our wheel and make it rain on people in love and joy and fun. Thank you so much for us even being able to do that. There's always new good morning messages for you guys. And just to let you know, good morning messages live over here. In the hello, my love, there's letters to you guys. When you click on the letters, it shows you all my letters and all my good mornings right here. So you guys can go there and enjoy them. Okay? If anyone has any questions, always DM me 24 hours a day. You guys also gave me feedback that you need voice messages for most of all of our messages that are written. Just to let you know, I'm on it and will be going back and adding voice messages into each thread just to say what's above. I hope that you have the absolutely best day. Thank you so much for being the best part of the Fox family. Teigan Fox out. Thank you, family. And DM any questions. It's never a bother. I love hearing from you.